Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable read notification option for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. Now if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. And right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. Now you need to click at the second line, read notification Aloud. And right here, firstly we need to enable it, because by default it's disabled. And click at the slider to enable it, near to it, if the slider have empty background. Now we can use it, and by default it's set only for missed call, so we need to add more application. Click Read Aloud and select All. Or you can also set Not Read Aloud. It's the same, just click on it and now select some application what you wanna read, what notification you wanna read. So let's say I wanna it for the Ali and Amazon Music. And now if we return here, we used it for these three applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!